Hello, everybody. This is Kimchi Crypto. Guy, I'm going to talk about you will definitely miss now later. Let's dig in. As you can see here, this is the price of Bitcoin in 2016 and 2017. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, more than 30% drawdown, in less than a year and a half, which sounds amazing. And now we are witnessing those altcoins to behave just like Bitcoin in like 8 years ago. One of those influencers named Altcoin Buzz, altcoin just had their biggest wipeout since the lunar collapse in May 2022. But history shows the biggest opportunities come after the biggest drops. Don't sleep on what's next. I definitely agree with this guy here. Tokyo listed Meta Planet adds 162 Bitcoin to complete treasury. Stock jumped 8% midday. They announced it has purchased 162 Bitcoin, and they got 3,050 Bitcoin already. The company aims to expand its holdings to 10,000 Bitcoin by the end of this year. As you know, they mimic just like MicroStrategy. They are in Japan though. Bitcoin of Meta Planet will be tripled by the end of this year. Stock price can go even further, like 10x, 20x, or even 30x by the end of this year. The world will witness this type of strategy. Buy Bitcoin, do nothing, and get rich. Every single country, every single corporation, as well as rich individual, will FOMO into Bitcoin this year. Standard Chartered says Bitcoin's pain is tied to equities. Relief hinges on potential Fed pivot. Standard Chartered's Geoff Kendrick attributes Bitcoin's recent downturn to broader risk asset distress rather than crypto-specific issues. However, he maintains his bullish $200,000 target Bitcoin price by year-end. For your information, Standard Chartered already got all the licenses for their crypto businesses around the world, with staking, with custody, with the trading, the providing the buying, selling those services to in globally. They got everything they needed, and they are yelling, shouting out 200k Bitcoin by the end of this year. Despite all this recession fear, tariffs, and so forth. Fed rate, for your information, fund rate is likely to stay as before in March FOMC meeting next week. The Fed is likely to lower rates in May with 50% chance, or lower rates in June with 90% of probability, which means we need to wait for a little bit longer. In my personal opinion, crypto market could pump in Q2, correction phase in Q3, a mega pump in Q4. It can be extended to Q1 next year. Firstly, however, we need to see Mr. Trump's tariff war to be ended. This is the foremost priority. XRP versus SEC, will the case end before April 16th? Their lawsuit might reach a resolution before April 16th, as suggested by the attorney. Market expert Matt Hogan believes XRP's price could rise sharply once legal uncertainties are cleared. Will resolution or settlement before April 16th, before new SEC chairman Paul Atkins comes in. Or others say there could be more delays even if SEC loses. the case. What a mess here. But I do believe it. XRP that's been chosen by global elites and every single institution, mega banking companies like 10, even 10 plus years ago. I don't care. I just hold XRP. I don't care about those XRP news, lawsuit, settlement, whatsoever. Bitcoin sees relief run to 82K. However, SEC delayed XRP, Doge, Litecoin ETF filings. As you can see here, final SEC deadline is mostly in October, in early October, in the middle of October. I still believe the biggest trigger for altcoin season, altcoin pump, in the first half of this year, definitely it will be BlackRock's application for altcoin spot ETF. Until then, good things seem to be delayed. Tariff were still going on, strong dollar, dollar is too strong, rate is too high, inflation and fear of recession, blah blah blah. It's all noise, to be honest. We need to wait for BlackRock. Even just application itself will pump the market, especially XRP and Solana. Until then, be patient, relax, live your own life. Don't just watch the screen all day long. It's bad for your health, because you will definitely miss this great opportunity to buy those blue chip altcoins, ETF potential approved, those altcoins as well as Bitcoin. You will definitely miss this opportunity. Thank you for listening.